Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix cutting out on Discord. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing issues with your audio cutting out on Discord, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. So the first method would be ensure that you have a stable and high-speed internet connection. A poor internet connection can lead to audio issues on Discord. Another method, sometimes selecting the correct server region can improve audio quality. Go to a server, then choose your voice channel, then hit on Edit Channel. Scroll down to find Region Overdrive. Then change the region of your preferred choice. Next method, make sure that you are using the latest version of Discord. Check for updates within the Discord app, or download the latest version from the official website. Another method, visit Discord's official status page or community forums to check if there are any ongoing outages or known issues. Another method, in Discord settings, go to Voice on Video and disable the Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority option. Next method, ensure that your PC's audio drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your PC or sound card manufacturer to download and install the latest drivers. Next method, close the bandwidth intensive applications that may be competing for your internet connection. This includes streaming services, large downloads, or online gaming. Another method, if you are using the Discord desktop application, try running it as an administrator. Right-click on Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Next method, some third-party applications or overlays can conflict with Discord. Temporarily disable other applications and overlays to see if the issue persists. Another method, close Discord completely and reopen it. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary audio issues. Another method, if the issue is specific to a particular voice channel, try switching to another channel to see if the problem persists. Next method, if you're using voice activation, try switching to push to talk to see if the cutting out issue is related to voice activation sensitivity. Another method, if none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Discord. Make sure to back up any important data or settings before reinstalling. Now, if the cutting out issue continues after trying these steps, consider reaching out to Discord support or visiting their community forums for further assistance. They may have specific recommendations based on the latest updates and community feedback. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.